Kabeli Vibara Season 4 Kibajepet Jagan ke channel Mana Kapor Syakapor. Tihakan ke video kamta ngan pentip sapi yaki kobor laikam kibalaj hapo ka jela Meghalaya habaro ki distrik kibahap hapo ka jela Meghalaya. Kata kadai ya baro ki khat distrik tiyakan ki pos papi aban apply kadai tang ya kitu ki kandidat ke bala pendep ya ka graduate sajrong kiyo aban apply ya kini ki pos. Temen tang ini page ya ka recruitment bala penmi deka MBMA Meghalaya Basin Management Agency ka code online application ya ki kandidat bapen apply ya kini ki post associate IVCS computerization baja kini ki post kandai haka contractual basis. Dia katarik ban submit ya ki application kin pedang haduka khat khandai tarik Disember arajar arpusau. Di pedang yo bahaka por bapen apply ya kini ki post Dikibom pada apply select no ban apply ya kini ki post. Kakerteng jong ki post kadai program associate IVCS computerization number of post hado arputli ki post ka location habaro ki kat atli ki distrik hapo ka jela Meghalaya ka salary lane katulap kadai arparajar sispa haka sibenai nang ta ka qualification graduate or postgraduate in BCom or BCA. Experience required banikong minimum of 1 year working experience with existing community-based institution lane NGOs. Baar knowledge of data management and administration nang taka skill required banikong should have strong written verbal communication organization and administrative skill nang taka baar komputer literate with good knowledge in MS Office Google Sheet Extra. Ka age limit kadai hado sau sensnam bapiyo ban apply paja kajing seu lane katulap hidang yo ru sakiwe ki allowance nang taka duration of contract kadai rubanai but kidang la ruban extend katkum kajing trei kam kajong pi lada kakam kajong pi kad pi trei hok ya kakam kum no bapen apply ya kini post. For applying the above position, candidate has to fill out the application form from the following link. Dengan sabu hapo ka description below ya kene ka link kanang bapin klik na ka link bat pila ban apply. Bayak ya application form jong pidai ban submit online day offline. But hakapor bapi apply pi haban pul bahaya ki jingan kam baro. The cover letter on candidate sustainability and interest in the position maximum 500 words is mandatory for the position application filling which the application will be rejected. Tekin patho ya ka city la kumno ka kam dai banduna ya ka sans pakenten but kadai ka badon kam ha but kibom la ken sha reject. But kandon ka written lane assignment but ka personal interview. But ki subject na kamata ka written exam kidai ka mata knowledge general knowledge reasoning but English. Tetang kini kijing betep ha ka bedai but kini post ke besibon ngin session 4.